Item 4.2, the petition. Okay. Mr. Wordsworth, welcome.
Thank you.
And I believe you have
Get yourself a drink of water here.
certainly 5 minutes to present
Can't
today.
hear you, Rose.
Sorry.
Can't hear you.
Okay, I'll do my best. I'm usually really good at being quite loud, but I'll try harder.
Hear you now.
Okay, good. You have 5 minutes, John, so thank you.
Good afternoon to you all. My name is John Wordsworth. I am the chairperson of the Kinloch Action Group and so involved with the petition. Okay, I'm here to speak to it. Better? Good. In doing so, I am mindful that I must not be disrespectful, nor offensive, nor make any malicious, or for want of a better word, mischievous statement. This despite the fact that we believe that we have been disrespected, and it appears continue to be so by some council workers. I hesitate to use the word officer, for having been a military officer, police officer, and Salvation Army officer, it implies the words sir, saluting, paying obeisance to, none of which I intend to do to somebody whom, by virtue of my rates, I employ. And as to mischievous, none of us in Kinloch believe that the missing 170-odd submissions was a mere administrative oversight. But please be assured I will adhere to the mandate. The decision on the 13th evoked an immediate and strong negative response. One outcome of this was the petition, which I now formally present. A criticism of it from some quarters was that it wrongly implied that the reserve was to be completely closed. Although some of the one-liners did not specify that the primary issue was to do with vehicle closure, all supporting documentation, including flyers, posters, and the blurb on Facebook, clearly stated that this was the central issue. And so we believe that the vast majority of people have signed the petition understanding the true nature of it. The numbers speak for themselves. I believe that the capital value rating petition attracted 7,000 signatories from across all of the Taupo rating district. The fact that the Kinloch petition has received, with signatures that have come in since its presentation last Tuesday, approximately 1,600 signatures, is strong testament to the community's feeling regarding the proposed closure. Of greatest significance, however, for we know you do not bind yourself to numbers, and so worthy of your most meaningful consideration are the comments made by many of the signatories. As time and brief, just two broad areas. Firstly, comments that support our assertion that Kinloch is unique. There is a wairua, a spirit that has its genesis in those who founded it and has been nurtured by the generations since, many of whom are represented here today. It can only be experienced and appreciated by those who have spent much time there. There are paradigms and protocols, a love for Whangamata Bay and the far reaches of the western shores that an outsider, especially someone new to the area, would have no comprehension of. With all due respect, Kinloch is not Long Bay. Of course, there are a few who want to protect their patch, but for the vast majority, Kinloch, with its walkways, public reserves and beaches, is a place for all. As the Kinloch Recreation Reserves Management Plan 2007 clearly encapsulates, Issue E, Policy C, allowing for easy access by all ages and abilities, including wheelchair access where safe and practical. practical. Secondly, comments that express grave concern at the Council's behaviour to date. I am truly hopeful of a resolution today that ends the acrimony and mistrust that presently exists between many Kinlockians and this Council. One that enables the continuation of the good work that has commenced over recent times between representatives of the Kinloch community and members of the Council. There is an opportunity here for us to work together for the long-term good of Kinloch, its ethos and natural resources. We hope that you good people do the right thing and seize the day. So in conclusion, and hoping that I have not overstayed my welcome by breaching the 5-minute rule, the size of the petition and the comments made strongly support our unequivocal and non-negotiable position that the reserve remains open to vehicle traffic. We accept that urgent work needs to be done to the reserve, some of which was signalled as far back as the mid-2000s. The next item on the agenda, our submission, which addresses all of the issues raised earlier, speaks to this. So thank you for your time. May God bless you and guide you as you exercise your elected duty. Thank you.
Thank you very much, John. Thank you. Any further comments from the councillors? So, do we have a seconder for a mover, sorry, for the petition? Thank you, Councillor Johns. And a seconder?
Yep.
Thank you, Mr. Cousins. And so that is in favour. All those in favour?
Aye.
Against? And carried. Thank you.